Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. On the dyno today is a 383 small block Chevy. We build a ton of these things. They make great hot rod and street motors. This engine happens to feature the Holley Terminator EFI system, which is a really nice system. It's a little more complicated to tune, but once you got the tune in here, it's a self-learning system. So as you drive it and experience the different driving and loading conditions, for each individual driver, really, it will continue to tune and adjust the air-fuel ratios and the transitional, but it's got excellent throttle response, makes excellent torque and horsepower. Price is right. You have to do some plumbing with the right fuel systems and so forth. If you have an older vehicle, trying to get a tank that's set up, for an EFI pump. They're readily available nowadays. It's a real bargain. Rather than sending your tank out to get boiled out, that really never works. I mean, there's always rust and dirt in there. So if you're interested in something like that, like I said, our 383s are available in multiple combinations. This happens to be a basic chrome oil pan, but the guy opted for some beautiful Chevrolet valve covers. Available in any color that you want, including custom paint. If you got a paint code, give it to us and Doug will be glad to spray that for you. Of course, that is a little bit of an upgraded price. You can check that stuff out on our website. Also, the March pulley system is, of course, an upgrade. But for the price, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous pulley system. The water pump works more efficiently than the basic V-belt style. And like I said, it looks fantastic and it's very functional. And of course, like I said, this thing's available carbureted. Multiple fuel injection systems. All our engines feature a billet distributor from MSD. Only the best quality stuff goes in our engines. Tailor spark plug wires. You can pick whatever color you want. I mean, if you want pink, purple, green, I don't really care. We'll put it on there for you. Like I said, you got a great running motor. Also, you can do an AFR CNC ported head upgrade if you wish. If you want to push that power level up, 575, 600 horsepower, that's available, and it's still a streetable, excellent type built motor. We got a lot of experience here. The fact that we've done on thousands of engines lets us try combinations so that you don't end up with a race engine in a street car, which of course just doesn't make for a happy time for the owner. So we got great engines, Chevys, Fords, Pontiacs, Oldsmobiles, Chryslers. Check us out, LS series engines. We got the best LS engines in the country, bar none. You want a 365-inch motor all the way up to 445-inch stuff, make it 750 horsepower and 700 foot-pounds of torque. Now, you find somebody that's building an LS motor like that, and there's only one company in the country doing that, and that's Proformance Unlimited. Check us out, customfreightengines.com. By Proformance Unlimited, or give Steve a call if you want to talk to him directly, 800-267-3940. Everybody have a good day out there.